Yo, what's up? How y'all doing? This is Soul Trade, and today we going over my trade recap for today. Today is February 14th, 2025, aka Valentine's Day. That's how I banged this trade today. Today I traded with the Discord on in the live meeting call, and I just traded with them. So let me go over the trade real quick. Oh shit, let me remove this real quick. I just had these as a joke for Valentine's Day. All right, so fuck the. Oh my god, bro, it's just embarrassing. All right, so coming into the day, um, before market opens, we were pretty bullish, is what I was thinking. Um, we were coming back to this 4 hour fair value gap right here, and yeah, but I didn't like overall think that I'm gonna go long, even though we were bullish because we have swept high and we had also had a SMT on these sides right here. We go on NQ, yeah. As you can see, these highs right here. Um, yeah, these two line up, and this has been swept like crazy, and this didn't get swept. This high did not get swept, and yeah, so that was a good confluence right there. All right, yeah, it was also a 4 hour SMT, so it's kind of crazy. Or you could also say a day, so it's a pretty strong SMT. All right, so I'll mark out whatever I need to mark out. Market opens, and let me go on 5 minute real quick. All right. I've had this analyzed since like 8 a.m. because I was trading with the Discord. So I got on at like 8 a.m. and I was just through it like the whole, before market open, right? So I was just with them. All right. So today I ended up taking a trade, or you could say two, because I had another contract, but it was on the same plan. So market open, we chop a little bit right here, come up, chop a little bit more. Trading is really just a game of patience. So if you're patient, then you could literally just own the market. It's kind of crazy. All right, so we chop up here in this 15-minute fair value gap, and this what is it at? 1 minute. I mean, no wait, 1 hour order block right here. We had this liquidity sweep and order block, yeah. And yeah, so we get to the middle of it, and then we start heading down. And I'm pretty sure NQ did not sweep London highs today. I could be wrong. No, yeah, it did, but after, because that I took my trade when it was like right here. It hasn't even swept London highs yet. Same thing as ES. It did not, but it got close to, but it didn't. So what ended up happening was there was this 1 minute fair value gap right here that I have marked. It closed inside, and then the next candle went down hella, so it filled all of the orders, went back up, and it had struggle closing outside of it. So you could see so close like within the box or the fair value gap. But yeah, so yeah, sit disrespects it right here. I go ahead on enter. It was actually on this one, but yeah, no wait, yeah, okay. So let me rephrase everything. Let me take everything back. It breaks down, right? And then I wait for a retracement, and then that's when I sold. All right, I just remembered because I took this trade in the morning. It's been like more than 12 hours, so kind of lost. All right, so I short right there, stops above the highs right here. Yeah, with one contract on ES, bang, goes down, and then which creates another fair value gap right here, and then I ended up entering another contract right here. It may be a little bit messy, so yeah, this chart is pretty messy. I'm sorry, guys. All right, yeah, this 1 minute fair value gap, it comes back up to it, and then it starts down. So once it tapped into it, I just entered again, and then put the stops above the candle of the fair value gap. So yeah, and then once it got here at some partials, since I had two contracts, I sold one, and then I just let it run, and it ended up being a winning trade. So yeah, that was basically it for today. And other than that, went back up a little bit to the median of the 1 hour order block, and then headed straight back down. But yeah, that was my trade for Valentine's Day, and yeah, I hope y'all bang the trade on Valentine's Day. My birthday's in like 2 days, so about to get hella money. Buy some more accounts, gang. I'm saying scale up this, and yeah. Hope you have a good weekend and stay focused until the next week. Um, Let me see the next week real quick. Um, just click next week. There you go. Um, alright, there you go. It's not really that bad, bro. It's looking pretty good, other than the FOMC and President Trump. But he never knows when to talk, dude. But yeah, it's pretty good, not gonna lie. But yeah, have a good weekend. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and see you on the next trade recap video, boys.